This is our current campsite, which is a very amazing campsite. But recently, apparently, they had a big storm here. And so the whole campsite that we're parked at is covered with leaves and debris. So I'm just going to clean those up a little bit. I'm making 2 piles. Well, actually, I'm making 3 piles. I'm making a pile for debris, leaves, and I'm making a pile for wood that's already dry so that we can use it on our fireplace, fire pit if we decide to. And I'm also making a pile for wood that needs to be chopped up because I have my chainsaw with me. This is a BLM land campsite, campground. There's probably 10 or 15 sites here. We have picnic tables, fire pits, places to stay. There are pit toilets here, and there is also a place for trash. You know, people don't realize how important places for trash are, because if you're out boondocking somewhere for a few days, you end up getting trash with no place to put it. I could spend all day doing this if I want to, because all along here is debris. It is BLM land, and I know they take care of it in here, so I'm not sure if they're going to send somebody by to take care of all of this, but in the meantime, I like to leave my spot better than it was before. As much sun and heat as there is, all of these leaves are going to dry up and crumble pretty quickly. But there are some big ones here that need to be chopped. I haven't dragged those over yet, and the chainsaw battery that I have is now charging because I haven't used it for a while. But it's a nice little chainsaw. The link is in my bio. You can't chop down big trees, but it's enough for this kind of stuff to make good firewood. There's a big piece out by the road here. I guess I'll see if I can drag it over here so it'll be more convenient to chop it up. There it is. I guess I better see if my battery's charged and we can get that chopped up. Good day's work. Let me show you. Sensible shoes, and I tied matrix so he can't get near me, hopefully. Power button, and then turn it on. Let's see how it works. Let's take a little break, chop the rest of this up. I guess that pretty well wraps it up. Leaves, kindling, wood. Looks a lot better, don't you think? I love a project well done. Gives me a feeling of accomplishment. Do you know what I mean? Happy day.